Hi guys! Today I want to show you how to use Google Search Console to figure out which keywords your blog posts are ranking for and how to actually use that data to get more clicks and higher rankings in Google. If you ever wondered why a post shows up but no one is clicking, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's go to Google Search Console, and on the left side menu you can find the Performance tab. Click on it and here you will see this page. Performance search results. Here you can see website total clicks, impressions, average CTR, and average position. Here you can select the date range you would like to check. I selected 3 months. The real value is right here under the pages, where you can see the specific blog post that is ranking. Then if you switch to the Queries tab, you can see all the keywords people used in Google that showed your post. Now, you might see a lot of numbers here: volume, CPC, competition, but for SEO you don't have to worry about all of them. You only have to pay attention on 3 of them. First is impressions. That's how many times your post showed up for the keyword. Next is clicks. How many people actually clicked on your post. And the last one is average position, right here, which means where your post is shown in search results. Here is how to interpret it. If a keyword has high impressions but low clicks, in this case you can see that it has 100 of free clicks but a lot more impressions. This is not good. In this case, it means that the title and meta description aren't enticing enough. Google is showing the post, but people just don't click on it for some reason. If a keyword is ranking around position 11 to 20, that's like page 2 of Google, this is the biggest opportunity. If you have a situation like this, you can add that keyword naturally in your post. Maybe make a new heading, a short section, or add an FAQ section with that keyword. And that little push can move you onto page 1 in Google. And if the keyword is already in the top 10 but barely gets clicks, again, it's not the content, it's mostly the headline game. In that case, you'll have to compare your title to the competition and see what they're doing better and rewrite it so it stands out more. For example, let's say I have this post, free accommodation in Paris. We can see that it has 37 clicks and other than 1,000 impressions. So these numbers are not equal, right? So let's click on it, and here we can see more details. We can see all of the keywords that are ranking for this post, and if I sort impressions by the highest to lowest, we can see that this specific keyword is ranking higher than others. So when I click on it, I can see that it has 1 total clicks, 46 impressions, and average position 7.6, which means is below 10, and that means that it's already ranking on the first page. So now if we go to Google, I already entered this phrase right here, we can see that it's right here, but something is not looking good here. So people see it but they don't click on it. Instead of just saying it as an improvement, I can say like maybe 7 real ways to get free accommodation in Paris, or free accommodation in Paris, yes, it's possible. So it's more personal. See the difference? It's still going to be optimized, but it makes people want to click it. So you'll have to think about something like this, something more personal, so it's catching for people. So here's your action plan when you use the Search Console. Look at the impressions, clicks, and position. For keywords on page 2, expand your post with the new sections or FAQ. Both are the better option. For keywords already on page 1 but low clicks, fix your title and meta description. And don't stress out about CPC or competition. Focus on the content improvements. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you implement all of these fixes correctly, you should be able to rank your post on a first page in Google. Thank you for watching. Bye.